Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. This is Jake, I'm Robbie, and today we have another version of our Hot Toddy. It's going to be a spiced rum Hot Toddy. To start this off, we've got 8 ounces of hot water in each of our glasses, and you can use whatever tea you want for this. We happen to have black tea here, so we're going to use black tea. We're going to put some tea bags in the cups, mugs. And we're just going to let those do their thing. And we wait. And then she said, I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout.
Don't forget to bleep that out.
And that's why the chicken crossed the road.
I always wondered. Wow, yeah, that was a good one.
All right, we're gonna take these tea bags out. Next, we are going to use our bestseller, our spiced Carolina Rum. This stuff is absolutely phenomenal. We are going to do 2 ounces in each tea. More the merrier.
And you could always add extra if you need to, or less.
Tom Cruise.
2 ounces recommended.
All right, Jake, if you don't mind, the next step is some lemon.
Okay.
This is a playa.
This is a bunch of non-knives.
Oh, look at that zest coming out of there.
Yeah, that is. Make sure you get some seeds.
Yeah, extra seeds for me, please. I think you did. So we've got our tea, we got our lemon, we got our spiced rum. So we're gonna add some honey. This is also to taste. This honey came from a guy we know.
Just some guy.
Just some guy.
Just some guy.
I think his name is Jeff.
Maybe Jeff,
I
yeah.
think he works here.
Does he?
I've seen him doing something.
He just hangs out.
He shows up.
Weirdly tall.
He's so awkwardly tall.
Yeah.
It's such a high-pitched voice, too.
I
It just
know.
doesn't make any sense. It's like it doesn't match.
Because he's stretched out. Alright, I'm just gonna stir this up.
There we go. That's our spiced Hot Toddy, folks. Hope you like this video. The recipe and stuff like that will be in the description below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to Muddy River Mixology Monday. Check out our Facebook and Instagram. We do tours of our facility every Saturday where you can come out, taste these rums, and buy our products. You can also find us in your local liquor store. Stay warm. Enjoy your Hot Toddy. Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. This is Jeff.
Hey Jeff, you're in the video again. Because Robbie's an idiot.
Oh, hit my kidney. That thing can't take it anymore.
Yeah.
Milk. Milk. All right.
What's wrong? All flights and shit?
I am so bad at this. Yeah, that's why you're here, Jeff. You're the
Remember to bleep that out.
what do they call it? The roadie?
Yeah.
I'm losing my mind over here.
Remember to
Put you
bleep
in the
that out.
trash. You're supposed to do it really fast so it doesn't zap you.
Is that how you do that?
It won't zap you. I don't think.